In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood managed portfolio strategies step by step. If you prefer a hands-off approach to investing, a managed portfolio can help by automatically investing and maintaining your portfolio based on your selected goals and risk level. Start by opening the Robinhood app and signing in to your account. Tap your profile icon and navigate to the section for Managed Portfolio if it is available on your account. Read the overview to learn how the service works, including the investment approach, fees, and features. When you're ready, tap Get Started or the available setup option. Answer the questions about your investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance as accurately as possible. Based on your responses, Robinhood will recommend a portfolio strategy that matches your profile. Review the recommended portfolio, including the types of investments it contains, then choose the amount you want to invest. Carefully review all the details before confirming your selection and completing the setup. Once your managed portfolio is active, you can monitor its performance from your portfolio screen and review updates whenever you open the app. Continue checking your account regularly and update your investment preferences if your financial goals change over time. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.